Good afternoon, it's Brenda and Joy and Lexi. We are going to this place called Waterfall Glen. It's like a local-ish forest preserve. You're looking up directions? Let's go, let's go! So we've been driving 10 minutes south on 55. Our maps just caught up to like where we were and told us we've been going the wrong way. We finally made it to the park. Forgot a leash, so Joy is using her scarf as such. Joy's dog walks really fast because she walks you. This is more of like light jog than a casual walk. The scarf ripped. That leash didn't last very long. Welcome to the smallest waterfall ever. She's usually so scared of water. We're literally taller than the waterfalls here. We're gonna leave the waterfalls in a little bit and go keep hiking. We are going back to the main trail to see where it leads to. Joy, Jennifer, and I used to go on these bike rides through various forest preserves, and there would always be these little benches made from a log. We've made it to the overlook, and the view is actually really nice. We're right under these giant like power lines and you can hear it buzz. I've never been so close where you hear the electricity. Also, we see some railroad tracks, but we can't get to it because I think there's a creek in the way.
That's a good thing we didn't go on the mushrooms.
That's what I was gonna say. We're done with our trail walking. Yay, I'm so hot. Found my noose. So we go backwards on Cast and then we came, which is that way. It's here. I'm home now, I'm done with the forest preserve. We're gonna try to make it a goal to find more, at least every other day, maybe every day. We're gonna do a quick mail time. My phone hasn't been connected to the Wi-Fi, so my warranty should be a new one. My new cell phone. Got the new phone, it's connecting to Wi-Fi, look at that. Verizon people are the nicest. The guy on the customer service the other day spent like an hour helping me. When it didn't work, it should be a new phone. I'm backing up my stuff and I'm gonna ship this phone back and it should be good to go. Thank you, Verizon.